It damaged y'all's trucks too?
Yes, sir. It damaged the vehicle, like a lot of.
Did y'all see it when it fell down, or?
I was on my truck when it started.
Wow.
Yeah. And all this, I thought it was garbage. It's coming towards my truck. I was sitting on my truck and I said, "Oh my God!" But it didn't. When it was coming like maybe 5-6 feet, it dispersed and went around my truck and knocked my truck. And I said it was only garbage. And I called my employer, and he said, "Yeah, just tell the guys that take it easy on the road. It's gonna be like this."
And this is all debris, I guess, here that was just being thrown from that building.
Every single one of our trucks has damage to it.
Oh my God. Yeah, I guess when the sun comes up, we'll be able to see this a little bit better, but I can see over here. This is crazy.
Oh, yeah. Very crazy. But the next more truck there, let's build it back.
We have a trailer that the entire top of where the weld is, that silver weld,
Yeah.
completely ripped back.
My God.
From here? Huh? From us?
Yeah.
The back window.